introduction of a deposit process. I just saw it briefly after I made some withdrawal. So I said, let me try and deposit with it and see how it is so that I can show my students. Now, this is just me showing you the new provision I saw. My internet is a bit slow. I may have to pause this or refresh. Okay, you can look at this. It said, now I'm trying, yeah, look at it here. Nigeria bank transfer. As I saw this, I was amazed. Oh, but before then, let me go back. Let me go back to the cashier. No, deposit. I'm trying to go back to the deposit to show you. Now, Nigerian bank transfer, that's one. Stick pay, perfect money, web money, faster pay, Necteller, Skrill, bank wire. You can see all of them that are available. Now, I believe also this credit card should be available for Nigeria as well now. Remember, the funding stuff was deactivated for a while. Now there's a WeChat, Neosoft, and StickPay. I believe this was the reason why Card Fund was deactivated for a while. So I'm trying to check it out and also cover it. So let me use Nigerian bank transfer. I've clicked on it. Now look at what it's telling me, Naira or USD. This is Naira. So let's see if I can do, like, let's see, okay, 10,000. Let's see 10,000. Now look at 10,000. Look at what it's giving me. That should be like $32. All right, let's see how it goes. I'm trying it out more jolly because of my students, so that they can get to see this. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm excited. Binary is moving up. So let's see how this works. It's a deposit. Okay, I would like to pay. I'm also just trying this out so that you guys, I'm also just trying it out. Now look at this. This is fun. This is fun to see. Pay with Kiki money, pay with bank transfer, meaning I can transfer from bank to bank. I say pay with bank, pay with USSD. I would like that because my GT bank has USSD. All other banks also have USSD. So let's see. My main internet is. Are you sure we want? No. I'm not closing. Yeah, I'm to choose bank. Oh wow, great. So you can see all the banks that are available there: Fidelity, GT, Sterling, United Bank, Zenith Bank. Let me try GT. This is amazing. I'm excited for my students, those who do not like Bitcoin. Well, I prefer and I always love Bitcoin. Bitcoin is always first option. Wow, this is amazing. So I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to make the payment and see how it goes. So let me pause this. Okay, I need to explain this. When you are trying to make this payment, when you copy this, I need you to also, once you copy this, also note this reference code. This one is 8754. You're going to use it to complete the transaction. Yeah, you're going to use it to complete the transaction. So I'll be right back. Okay, so 87. 8754. Okay, you can see the code here. So I want to separate. 8754 is the code. 8754 is the code. So I'm calling this. Wow, it's amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm excited for my student, really. So I'll have here the reference code is 8754. Send. Now it should ask me for. Okay, This will be my pin, so I have to pause here. Wow, your C Gateway USD payment floater wave with 10,000 is successful. Okay, let's go and see. Let's go and see. I'm trying to see this. Okay, I've been debited already. You can see the debit. Now, I'm trying to see. Let this payment reflect. This would be nice if it can work out, because remember, the medium of payment will be the same. So meaning if I can deposit this way, I can also withdraw this way. So we're going to see that. I'm going to actually try to cover the withdrawal as well. So I'm not seeing. I'm trying to actually. I'm doing this for the first time. So change payment method. No, I've already completed this payment. So I'm trying to see the next phase if it has shown. So I'll open another web page while that one is pending. No, I'm going to open another web page. They should have credited me, like, wow, wow. Okay, this is nice, and I believe this is also cheaper. Really, this is nice and also cheaper. So let's find out the value at which I was able to deposit 10,000, right? So let's go to a calculator. Let's go to a calculator. I'm so excited, super excited, super excited. So we have 32. It's gonna be like 10,000, right? Divided by 32.69. Wow. Am I right? Yeah, 32.69. So they are selling $1 at the rate of 305. Man, this is good. This is amazing. This is good. This is good for business. Even from this alone, you can be making 50 naira. On top of this alone, you can be making 50 naira. This is amazing, guys. It's amazing. You need to take this up real good. Wow. Okay, I'm also going to try and see if I can do some trades, but I'm not going to combine them here. So I need to go and look for signal first. So I may